Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Robinhood in Europe. First, confirm whether Robinhood offers service in your country and understand any regional limits. Next, prepare ID and address documents to complete verification promptly. Also review tax rules for investment income where you live and set up secure login protections like 2FA. Finally, learn deposit, withdrawal, and trade basics so you can start investing with confidence and safety. To create an account, download the Robinhood app or use the web sign-up and enter your contact details accurately. Follow prompts to upload your passport or national ID and a recent proof of address for verification. Connect a bank or payment method that accepts international transfers and supports currency conversion if needed. Enable two-factor authentication and review account limits to avoid surprises when depositing or placing your first trades on the platform. Begin trading cautiously by placing small orders to get familiar with Robinhood's order types and execution. Use limit orders instead of market orders to manage entry price and to help avoid slippage in volatile markets. Keep an eye on currency conversion and FX fees when buying instruments priced in other currencies, and consider the tax treatment of dividends and capital gains in your country. Regularly review portfolio allocation to match your risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.